Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Podcast. Today's topic is very useful, very practical, and very important for daily life. Today, we will learn how to speak English in a restaurant. Yes, many English learners feel nervous in restaurants. They think, what should I say? How do I order food? What if I make a mistake? But don't worry. Today, we will practice together, slowly, clearly, and naturally. So take a deep breath, relax, and listen carefully. Let's begin. Today we have a special guest. Welcome, Tom.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Tom, imagine this situation. You walk into a restaurant. What does the worker usually say?
Usually they say, "Hello, how many people?" Or, "Table for one?"
Good. Let's repeat together. How many people? Pause. How many people? Very good. Now, what does table for one mean? It means one person wants a table. For example, table for one, table for two, table for four. Simple, right?
Yes, very simple.
Now let's practice. Listen carefully.
Hello, welcome.
Hi, table for two, please. Very natural. Let's repeat slowly. Table for two, please. Again, table for two, please. Excellent.
You can also say, "Can we sit here?" This means, "Is this table okay for us?"
Good expression. Very useful. Now you are sitting at the table. The waiter gives you the menu. Do you know menu? A menu is the list of food and drinks.
Sometimes people say, "What do you recommend?" This means, "What food is good here?" Very useful expression.
Yes. Repeat after me. What do you recommend? Again, what do you recommend? Great job. Now it is time to order food. Listen to this conversation.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like a chicken sandwich and orange juice.
Very common English. Now, let's learn I would like. This is a polite way to ask for something. For example, I would like coffee. I would like water. I would like pizza.
You can also say, "Can I have?" Example, "Can I have a burger?" Very natural English.
Now, let's learn some useful restaurant expressions. Ready?
Let's do it.
Can I see the menu?
Meaning, "Please show me the menu."
Can I get some water?
Meaning, "Please bring water."
The food is delicious. Delicious means very tasty.
Repeat. Delicious. Again, delicious.
Can I have the bill, please? Bill means the money you must pay. In American English, people also say check. Now let's listen to a real-life example.
Hello, welcome.
Hi, table for one, please.
Sure, right this way.
Thank you.
Here's the menu.
Thanks.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. Can I have pasta and a cola?
Of course.
The food is delicious.
Thank you.
Can I have the bill, please?
Sure.
Okay, everyone, now it's your turn. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. Ready? Table for two, please. I would like coffee. What do you recommend? Can I have the bill, please? The food is delicious. Excellent work.
Remember, you do not need perfect English. You only need practice. Small practice every day creates big improvement.
Yes. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. And never fear mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. So relax and keep speaking.
Thank you for listening to Easy English Podcast. Today, we learned useful English for restaurants. We practiced ordering food, asking for the menu, paying the bill, useful daily expressions. Listen again and repeat aloud. This is the best way to improve your English speaking. See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.
Bye! Keep practicing English every day.